Okay, now here I made my chicken cream. This right here is it's got vegetables, chicken breast, celeries, a whole bunch of good stuff in here. You can see carrots, potatoes as well, corn, everything. I make my chicken pot pie. So this is my little homemade recipe that I'll be doing. I use this right here to do the top layer. And do the bottom and the top layer, and then after that, I will heat it up. Then on top of that, I'll heat it up. Later on, I'll put the layers in here, and I heat it up in here. All right, so I'll cover the bottom of the pan. I use the biscuit. I could have used my own flour, but I like the flaky biscuits better because it tastes real good and it's buttery. Yeah, so basically I did that. And it's gonna be banging. So then I put the cream of chicken. I put the cream of chicken on top, and then it's gonna be good. Well, right now I'm adding the cream of chicken that I had made, my homemade cream of chicken that I had made. And see, I have the bottom layer. The bottom layer has you know, the flakes that I've had put in the beginning. So yeah, it's gonna be real good. Alright, this is going to be real good. Just leave it like that. Let me add the rest of this chicken that I have in here. Let me save the rest. I could save as a soup if I want. So, yeah, it's going to be good. Now for the final step, I'm going to add the rest of this biscuit flakes on top. And then I'm going to put it in the oven for like around like 350 around there. Keep it there for like, you could say 15 minutes or so. Okay, this is my final step. So basically, you can see what I have done. It doesn't matter how you put it, because regardless of anything, the dough will rise and everything will be covered up. And if you have a little extras, just put it inside, whatever you want. But as for now, just put it in the oven and just bake it off. Alright guys, so my chicken pot pie is already done. It's golden crispy right now, as you see, real good. And then the bottom too as well is golden crispy. You might not see it right now, but when I take it out and cut it in pieces and put it on the plates, it's gonna be awesome. And this is one of my little secret recipes that I've been making. This is so good. Oh my god. And I'm gonna let it cool down first, and then I cut it up in pieces and put it in place. It's gonna be real good. Yeah. Well, we finally got our chicken pot pie right here, my homemade chicken pot pie. We got some soda, we got mommy here, we got the monkey here, and we got my other little monkey. He's reading right now, so I can't disturb him. It's sour, the candy. No. No, it's not? No. Oh, okay. Alright, so we're over here making puzzles, ready to eat chicken pot pie, and we're gonna have some fun. Woo, yeah. Alright, everybody, this is my homemade chicken pot pie. If you can see, it's got golden crust in the bottom and sauce on top. In the middle, it has all the juicy, creamy chicken that I made, followed by Santa Christmas soda, some Pepsi. And yes, this is gonna be good. We got the family here. We're making puzzles over here. We're having a great time. Yeah.